Touch the screen to meet the animals that live here. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion. The lion. Lion. The lion eats meat. Monkey. The monkey lives in the trees. Monkey. The monkey is a very intelligent animal. The monkey has a great ability to jump. Crocodile. The crocodile. The crocodile can live up to 80 years. The crocodile has very hard skin. Yoo-hoo! Hippo. The hippopotamus lives in the water most of the time. The hippopotamus grows throughout its whole life. The hippopotamus has a huge mouth. Gorilla. The gorilla is part of the ape family. The gorilla moves around on 4 legs. The gorilla is very strong. Giraffe. The giraffe has a very long neck. The giraffe eats leaves. The giraffe is yellow with spots. Yoo-hoo! Elephant. The elephant is the largest animal in the jungle. The elephant has very large ears and a long trunk. The elephant's brain can weigh up to 5 kilograms. Tiger. The tiger has brown skin and spots. The tiger eats meat. The tiger is the largest feline in the world. Bear. The bear is a big animal. The bear eats fruits and roots from trees. The bear can run fast if it needs to. Yoo-hoo! Wow! You've reached your first challenge. Touch the animal whose name is elephant. Fantastic! Snake. The snake has a long body and no legs. The snake can move very fast. The snake changes its skin when it grows. Welcome to the Games Fair! Each poster gives you access to a different game. Touch the animal to start the action. Touch it again to stop it.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Touch the animal whose name is crocodile. Snake. Farm. Cow. The cow eats cow. The cow has 3 stomachs. The cow has a long tongue. Hen. The hen lays eggs. The hen lives in the farm. The hen doesn't fly. Horse. The horse lives in the field. The horse can weigh up to 550 kilograms. The horse eats grass. Yoo-hoo! Sheep. The sheep's skin is covered in wool. The sheep live in groups. The sheep eats grass. Chicken. The chicken is born from an egg. The chicken is the baby hen. The little chicken is yellow. Peacock. The peacock has large colored feathers. The peacock eats seeds and fruit. The peacock can fly short distances. Yoo-hoo! Duckling. The little duck is yellow. The duck is an aquatic bird. The duckling is very curious. Rooster. The rooster sings at daybreak. The rooster rooster lives with the hens. The rooster is larger than the hen. Pig. The pig eats all kinds of food. The pig cannot bend his neck upward. The pig is a heavy animal. Yoo-hoo! Pigeon. The pigeon flies very fast. The pigeon symbolizes peace. The pigeon has very well-developed eyesight. Touch the animal whose name is pig. Which is its body? Find an adult to continue. Farm. Forest. House. Dog. The dog lives at home. The dog wags its tail when it's happy. The dog likes to eat meat. Mouse. The mouse has a long tail. The mouse eats cheese. The mouse is a rodent. Turtle. The turtle has a very hard shell. The turtle moves very slowly. The turtle eats vegetables. Yoo-hoo! House. Insects. Bee. The bee is a black and yellow insect. The bee produces honey. Woo! The bee lives in a community where there is always a queen. Grasshopper. The grasshopper is an insect that jumps around. The grasshopper is an insect from the family of the crickets. The grasshopper has wings that allow him to fly. Mosquito. The mosquito is an insect that feeds on the blood of other animals. When the mosquito attacks, it leaves your skin itching. The mosquito breeds in hot weather. Yoo-hoo! Insects. Birds. Sea. Dolphin. The dolphin is a very intelligent and funny animal that lives in the sea. The dolphins can jump on the outside of the sea. The dolphin swims at high speeds. Seahorse. The male seahorse can have children. The seahorse is a type of fish with tough skin. The seahorse swims by keeping its body in a vertical position. Swordfish. The swordfish is a large fish with a great tip on its head. The swordfish loses all of its teeth when it's an adult. The swordfish uses its tip to hunt in the sea. Yoo-hoo!